Right, E over A all over A plus 2B minus CE over D plus AE minus 4C all over D plus 3B equals 0. And we want to solve for E. There's an E here, and just an E there. And you can split this fraction up very easily. So it's quite easy to see, actually. Take an E outside the bracket for these three terms, right? And you're just going to have 1 over A plus 2B. There. Here you're going to have minus C over D, aren't you? And this fraction here, we can split up. It'll be AE over this. And take the E outside the bracket and it'll be plus A over D plus 3B. There we go. Now I'm going to close the bracket. I haven't done anything with this term. That's because we're going to move it across the equals to be plus 4C over the bottom number. So that equals 4C over D plus 3B. There we go. Yeah, everyone okay with that? Look, we've got an E there, an E there, an E there. I'm treating this as just a simple fraction of one number plus another over a denominator. So I can split this fraction up into that over that minus that over that. And when I see that, these three terms here have an E in common. So I can take the E outside and write 1 over A plus 2B minus C over D. And then A over D plus 3B there with a plus. And then this last term, which is the only term that remains, I can move that fraction across the equals and put a plus 4C over D plus 3B. Now that just remains to just move that from times to divide. So E equals, now we've got 4C, oh this is horrible, because I could really unify these terms here in one common fraction, and then I'd have a fraction over a fraction, and I could move things around again. But I'm not going to do that, because I'm just going to write the answer down here. So it'll be 4C over D plus 3B bracket, and then I'm going to put a bigger bracket to cope with this stuff. It'll be 1 over A plus 2B, that term, minus the C over D. So I'm going to treat it like this really, plus A over D plus 3B. And that'll do, I think, because that's E. If I was asked to simplify it, then probably I would want to tidy this fraction up, and then I'd have a fraction divided by another fraction, and then we could use the rules of fractions. But this will do. We're just as an initial formula for E.